Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a new concept in the topic triangles of class 10. That new topic is similarity. When you are in class 9th, we have discussed about congruency. What is congruency? If coming to the geometry part, congruency means two shapes, two figures which are having same shape and size. They are called congruent figures. And you have done many problems and you have used many criterions also. SAS criterion, AAS criteria, RHS, SSS criteria, all those you have discussed in class 9th. In class 10th, we are going to discuss about a new concept, that is similarity. That new concept is similarity. Okay, here these two figures, postage stamps of great mathematician Ramanujan. Here if you observe, these two are having same shape and same size also. So that is why we call them as congruent figures. And here if you observe here, two puppets, these two are same in shape, but when you consider their sizes are different. And here butterflies, and these butterflies also same shape and size is different. And here if you see this triangle, a big triangle, in this big triangle there are many small triangles. Here if you see this triangle and this triangle and this, if you see all these triangles, they are all same in shape, but they are different in size. Those pictures or those figures are called similar figures. Those are called similar figures. We will see one more. Here two trees are there. These two trees are same in shape, but they are different in size. If you see this height, so height is different. So they are similar, they are not congruent. If their shape and size both are same, then we say that they are congruent, but they are same in shape but different in size. So that is why they are called similar figures. And here two triangles. These two triangles, they are in same shape but size is different. So that is why we are so similar. They are discussing that we are so similar. Whenever you have taken your passport size photo, a small size passport size photo, and you take another one which is enlarged, if you compare those two are same in shape, but they are in different in size. Those are called similar figures. Right? So here one activity, a small activity is there. Here a quadrilateral is here. A quadrilateral. Light is focused on this quadrilateral. When light is focused on the quadrilateral, we will get shadow. Not only quadrilateral, on any object if you focus light, we will get shadow. Here we are taking this quadrilateral. And if you name it as ABCD, and its shadow here, shadow is there on the table, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. If you observe these two are similar. This quadrilateral ABCD and its shadow A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, these two are similar. So that is why ABCD is a quadrilateral and its shadow on the table marked as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. And this quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash is similar to quadrilateral ABCD because they are having same shape. Size may be different. That is why those two are similar. So we say that ABCD is similar to quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. If you go into deep here, when this ABCD quadrilateral and A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, this is shadow. Here A dash we get from this A, that means A is corresponds to A dash. So A corresponds to A, B dash corresponds to B, C dash corresponds to C, and D dash corresponds to D. If you take these angles, all these corresponding angles are equal. And when you measure the sides, AB side and A dash, B dash side, if you measure these two and you find the ratio, similarly you measure BC and measure B dash, C dash, and measure CD and C dash, D dash, measure DA and D dash, A dash, you find the ratio. If you find the ratio, all these ratios are equal. When you consider two similar triangles, definitely their corresponding angles will be equal and their corresponding sides ratios are same. That is why, so we can emphasize this. Two polygons, you take any polygon. Here we have taken quadrilateral. You take triangle, pentagon, hexagon, whatever it may be. If you take two polygons of the same number of sides, if they are similar, we can say that those two are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means when you find the ratio of the corresponding sides, you will get same ratio. What is corresponding sides? Because we got this A dash, B dash, because this A dash, B dash is corresponds to this AB. So AB and A dash, B dash are corresponding sides. BC and B dash, C dash are corresponding sides. CD and C dash, D dash are corresponding sides. DA and D dash, A dash are corresponding sides. So if you take the ratio, all those ratios are equal and the corresponding angles are equal, then we say that those two polygons are similar. Now coming to the triangle, we have taken examples of similarity. After that we have taken one activity by focusing the light and we generalize it for polygons. Now we are coming to the actual part, that is similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles. So this is generalized one. All those figures which have the same shape but different sizes are called similar figures. But when come to the triangles, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Here ABC is a triangle and DEF is another triangle. In these two triangles, angle A and angle D are equal. Those two are corresponding angles. And angle B and angle E are equal. Those two are corresponding angles. And angle C, angle F. So three angles of triangle ABC correspondingly equal to three angles of another triangle DEF. Next, their corresponding sides. This AB is corresponding to D because angle A, angle D equal, angle B, angle E equal. So this AB is between A and B and D is between D and E. So those two are corresponding sides. And BC and EF are corresponding sides. And AC, DF are corresponding sides. If you consider the ratio AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF, all these ratios are equal. and corresponding angles are equal, then only we say that those two triangles are similar. So in vice versa, if two triangles are similar, all these happens. If corresponding angles equal and corresponding sides are proportional, then those two triangles are similar. So this is the similarity of triangles. Thank you.